Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a job card in Zoho CRM. A job card helps track work orders, tasks, or maintenance activities. So let's begin. The first step is to customize a model for the job cards. And to do that, you have to log into your Zoho CRM account. And to do so, just go to crm.zoho and click on the website. Once it appears, enter your account credentials and log in. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your Zoho dashboard account. From here, go to settings in the gear icon menu here. Click on it and go to the customization section here. Look for the models and fields here, click on it, and then click plus new model here. Or you can customize an existing one and then name it job card. Let's name it here. Select job card. Job card. And then we click on done. After that, add a relevant field like job ID, description, assigned to, and due date. Now for the second step is to create a new job card. Navigate to the new job card model. Just go back to your dashboard here and click search for other models and look for a new job card. It doesn't appear here. I'll go and let's redo that step. Let's go to models and fields. I forgot to save it, I think. Now let's create a model. Let's name it job. Properties. Select job card. Done. Let's enter the title here. Job card also. Card. You can add single form of model name. Let's add the same one right here. And then we click save and close right here. Select the profile that should have access to the model. I select it as an administrator. And there it is. Now we create a new job card. Now navigate to the new job card model here. Let's look for it. Oh, it still doesn't appear, but it's right here now. Status right here. Job card. And then click plus new record and fill in the details such as job title, task description, and assigned personnel. Now for the third step is to save and track the job card. Click on save and use views or filters to manage and monitor active job cards easily. And that's how you create a job card in Zoho CRM. It's a great way to organize your workflow. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, feel free to leave a like and a comment if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.